circumstances surrounding the incident. Iwa assured the public that the suspects would be arrested and prosecuted. And now on health, the Lagos state government has re-emphasized the need for parents to ensure their wards between ages 9 to 59 months get immunized against poliomyelitis. Government officials say it is disheartening that in spite of Nigeria's status, the country is still among the 3 nations in the world that is lagging behind in the fight against the polio scourge. On this note, Lagos State Primary Healthcare Board at a kick-out polio immunization exercise among the Hausa and Yoruba communities on Sunday, urged parents to join in ensuring that their wards are immunized against polio. The medical officer of health, Agege local government area, Dr. Akinloba Akintoye, noted that there is no side effect to a child who gets the vaccine more than once, but the essence is for every child between 9 to 59 months to get immunized.
Age 0 months to 59 months are vaccinated. Let us work together to ensure that everybody becomes vaccinated, because that's the only way by which we can protect the spread of infectious diseases in our environment. This particular exercise that we are doing is National Immunization Plus Days. It is done all over Nigeria, and the Lagos State, and by extension Agege local government, is joining with other stakeholders to ensure that that is done.
The Seriki Hausawa of Agege, Alhaji Musa Mohammed Dongo Kadai, implored the parents to join the government in its efforts to kick out polio from Nigeria, while the wife of Agege local government chairman Rahamat Egunjabi called on all mothers within the community to assist the officials in the immunization of polio vaccine to their children.
Times of what we call kick out polio out of our great country Nigeria is a great thing for us, and it's our own responsibility. It's under a must for us to give our child starting from 9 months to 5 years. We should see that we've already been above the what we call mature in the world. So we have to take care of those who come in one to grow in strength and healthy.
We encourage the mothers to bring out their children, because this vaccination is very good and it has benefits from, I think the vaccination is within 0 years to 59 months. So although we've been ensuring in our capability to tell mothers to bring out their children so that all the children will benefit from this immunization.
Still on health, the president of Herbal Therapy Society of Nigeria, Dr. Akintude Ayeni, has demanded the support of the Oni of Ife, Enitan Ogunwusi, the establishment of a botanic garden in Nigeria. Dr. Ayeni, who doubles as the Chief Executive Officer of Yemkem International, made the appeal during a courtesy call on the revered monarch in Ile-Ife, Osun State. He believes the first-class monarch can influence the federal government towards implementing the establishment of the garden. Correspondent Elizabeth Ajibola has the details presented from our studio.
Before civilization, many had believed in the usage of herbs in curbing diseases and ailments that linger among the people. But as civilization creeps in, there are claims many had begun to forget the use of traditional medicines. In order to ensure traditional medicines are taken as one of the major ways of curbing diseases and ailments in Nigeria, the Herbal Therapy Society of Nigeria went on a courteous visit to the palace of Oni of Ile-Ife, Oba Enitan Ogunwusi, to seek for his support and prayers. On this note, the president of the group and CEO of Yemkem International, Dr. Akintude Ayeni, said he has recognized Ile-Ife as the source of traditional medicine and herbs therapy. Ayeni believes the Oni could help the group to reach out to the federal government to achieve their aims.
The first importance of coming to the Oni's palace is to associate ourselves to him as a member, because we are members of the Herbal Therapy Society of Nigeria, and Ile-Ife being the crown of Yoruba land, I think we find it very important to come and see the Kabiyesi, to identify with him and to make the Kabiyesi understand that we are his children and we need his advice and how he can support us in our industry, the herbal industry, and how he can help us to talk to the government in the area where the traditional medicine practitioners, is having a big problem.
Also, the managing director of YEMTEM said measures are put in place to ensure authenticity and efficacy of traditional medicines by getting verification from the National Agencies for Food and Drug Administration and Control, NAFDAC, and other related agencies.
It's a good adventure and it's a good journey that will promote our medicine, and it's a very good opportunity for all our practitioners, most especially the Herbal Therapy Society, because it helps us to showcase our product to the global world in terms of packaging. When it comes to efficacy, it's only in the African continent we can see very highly potent raw materials in terms of leaves, shrubs, and the leaves. And why? It's because of the topography of our soil. You understand that? Because we have what we call, organic soil. That anything that grows organically, it works in the body system.
The owner of Ile-Ife, Oba Enita Ogusi, assured the group of its unending support to promoting the culture and tradition of Yoruba land through consumption of traditional medicines for cure of diseases and ailments, just as foreign drugs. Ooni of Ife therefore urged the Herbal Therapy Society of Nigeria to be in unity and avoid enmities among themselves.
Still in Ile-Ife in Osun State, two highly revered monarchs have appealed to President Muhammadu Buhari to find lasting solutions to the security challenges which is threatening the nation's survival. They are the Oba of Benin, Omonobanedu Ewari, and the Ooni of Ife, Adeyeye Ogunwusi. They spoke when the Oba of Benin paid a historical visit to the Ooni as well as the governor of Osun State, Rauf Aregbesola. Correspondent